All right, GVMC, this is the video to find the winner of my freebie for my 5 MVP helmet number 2, which is a Geronimo Allison Mini Chrome helmet. So we'll check the time, February 19th at 1:56 p.m. I'm going to go over to the freebie and type live. We have February 19th at 1:56 p.m. There is the list of our 91 entries. All of Tyler's spots were removed because he won. So we're just going to randomize whoever's left here, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. And we have 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Greg. Spot 100 is our winner. So, Greg, please message me to collect your Geronimo. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, February 19th, 1:57 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.